teacher. I also coach cheer. I run Porches at Pascal. I'm from McKinney, Texas. I went to TCU. I got both my master's and my bachelor's there. I'm a Horned Frog forever. Anyway, thank you for entrusting me with your kids. They seem really great. I love all of them already. And yeah, they are awesome. Number one goal for English class is, well, I have lots of goals, but number one goal for the actual class is that they pass STAR at the end of the year. Yay! They will, don't worry, it's gonna be great. That's a noisy child, it's fine. Anyway, if you ever need to get into contact with me, just email me. It's victoria.moybrook@fwisd.org. Check out the website if you don't know how to spell that, because most people don't. Also, my tutorial times are basically every morning at 6:30 till whenever school starts, because that's what time I get here, so if you need to send your kid, you can. And then we also changed our book from Fahrenheit 451 to Lord of the Flies, so if you didn't get that memo, that's what we did. FYI. And then that's pretty much it. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and